Hello guys, welcome back. So today, what do we have here for this Sunday Advent? Today we have Winston The Red Engine, or Winston the Red Engine. So let's get started on Winston. So Winston is a cheerful red engine, look just like James and probably Eagle. So what I did to him is I give him a headlamp and I updated his headlamp and I painted his wheels red. And he has a detailed cab with a water and a firebox and a throttle and some systems. And there were some, I painted his connecting rods white to be like he is just like any other engine. And he has a James face, but this is Winston. So a tender, and here's his tender, here's his back lamp. There is some black detailed with the water, and it has a number. And it has a number 17 painted on the side. And the number 17 too. So what do you guys think of Winston? Let me know in the comments. So yeah. Alright guys. That's it for this video. See you guys later.